What's going on, everybody? Hey, this is Lewis from Squeaky Clean, commercial cleaning company. I wanted to give you an update on something we're doing today. We just picked up a new account and we are doing the initial deep clean for it to kind of prep it for whatever team is going to come in here, so that it's more of a maintenance job as opposed to them actually trying to clean. And this place was let's say, neglected for a while. There were cobwebs everywhere, and the bathrooms weren't done in a long time. So we brought a team in here to hit every area to make sure, we get all the dust bunnies, all the cobwebs, the baseboards, the ceiling fans, and the blinds, and all that other stuff. That way, when our team comes in, whoever's going to take over the account, it's more of a maintenance thing. You do the regular, janitorial, trash, light dusting, sweeping, mopping, and bathroom sanitizing and cleaning and all that stuff. And then it's pretty easy after that. And this is a 1 day a week account. So just kind of be aware when you first start an account, you want to make sure that it doesn't need a deep cleaning initially. Because if not, your team, that's whoever's going to take it over or whatever, is just going to be working harder just to even get it to a manageable point, and they're going to be working harder than they really have to. So if you go ahead and charge them for an initial deep clean, let them know that it's to get the location to a point where we can maintain it. They'll usually 9 times out of 10 go for it, because it makes a lot of sense, especially if the person that they had beforehand wasn't really taking care of it and wasn't really keeping up with the cleaning and stuff like that. So make sure you think about that. Understand how long it's going to take to do the deep cleaning, especially if you bring somebody else in to kind of work with your team. I usually bring new people on to work with my team to kind of see how they work as subcontractors, and then I'll either put them in that account or I'll put them in another account depending on what the needs are. So just some food for thought. So we're about done here. It took 2 hours like I kind of thought it would, so I'm getting better at it. In time, you'll learn how long things will take just by eyeballing it. But if not, just take it slow and understand what your production rate is with different locations, different types of jobs and buildings and stuff like that, and you'll be good to go. So that being said, let me go ahead and clock these people out and get them on their way. You guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube, Squeaky Clean LLC. Well, actually, I think I just changed. It's Sherman Andrew Lewis Jr. For YouTube, and also for Instagram. And you can go to our Squeaky Clean LLC YouTube. I'm sorry, not YouTube, but Facebook. And we also have a new Clean Success Academy, which is a more mentoring program. That's Clean, K-L-E-A-N, Success, of course, Academy. And that's on Instagram and also YouTube. So a lot of the videos that I'm putting on my main channel is going to also be on the Clean Success Academy channel also. So make sure you like, subscribe, and follow, and share also. Take care, guys.